Heart to Heart is a project from Merge Multimedia Club from Universiti Malaysia Kelantan in association with My Starfish Foundation. This is a charity program for the orphans community in Yayasan Kebajikan Anak-Anak Yatim Kelantan. The process of the program is we held a book donation day at our own campus, that is Universiti Malaysia Kelantan, and the collection of the book will be donated to the orphanage. On the first day of the program, we have painted a mural, cleaned the surroundings of the orphanage, and built a mini library for the orphans to study at the mini library. Next, on the second day of our program, we spent our time with the orphans by playing games with them. The first game that we played with them are draw the spirits of animal in your soul, and they have to draw it in mahjong paper, and after they finish drawing, they have to present it in front of all. The purpose of this game is to increase cooperation and courage among the students. And the second game that we played with them is called Sibuta Sayang, where all the kids have to be blindfolded and they have to walk around by hearing only one of their teammates that have not been blindfolded.
Bagi pihak Yaatim, Yayasan Kebajikan Anak Yatim Kelantan, saya ingin mengatur penghargaan yang tinggi kepada My Starfish Foundation di atas sumbangan yang menjayakan program pada hari ini lah.
Ini saya rasa dapat memberi sedikit keceriaan kepada mereka dan juga menunjukkan keprihatinan kita lah sebagai mahasiswa.
So finally our program has done in 2 days of this project has been held. So I want to thank you to My Starfish Foundation for supporting this project, and I want to thank to Yaatim for supporting also this project, and let us merge help this program at this venue.